success. I've built an off-road camper and it's off-road and I'm about to go camping. And it does look the business. Everything has worked out as hoped. The roll cage is just a masterclass in metalwork from Matt. I'm so pleased with it. The off-road tyres and wheels are a bit stupid. The winch, I mean, I don't really need to winch myself anywhere, but if I do, or I need to hang my hammock or a washing line, all the essential things you need when you're off-roading, it's there. Waffle board detail, completely unusable waffle boards. If I get stuck, I can't put them under the tyres, but a grippy side step. This tube here wasn't left like that by accident. Flag mast holder. So when you get lost in your campsite full of other people at a festival, you can find your off-road camper van smart car thing. Much better. Right, roof tent. How does this work? I'm not sure when they designed this roof tent, they had a smart car in mind. Colour coded. Right, now this is the perfect little canopy which I can shower under. So I've got a bucket there, fill that with hot water. So that drops in the bucket of water, like that. And on here, I have a shower head. Now I just need to mount it somewhere. That'll do. A shower under a roof tent in nature, brought here by an off-road smart car. The great outdoors, working in nature with the additional 50 sheep. Hello, hello, what's your name? I'm about to do some cooking, but it's vegetarian cooking, so don't worry. Do you know what, I have a slight confession. When I designed this box to start with, the smart car was lower. Now the car's gone up, I might need a little box to do my cooking, but hey, worse things, aren't there? Frying pan. Here we go. Colour-coded spatula. These tongs are actually rubbish, but they're the right colour. Now it feels like I'm camping. The smell of bacon frying and the great outdoors and sheep. Hello, what are you after? I'm doing eggs in a minute. Sunny side up. Thought so. I may have forgot a cooking knife, so I'm using my utility knife. Everything has to be smaller in a smart camper, including the knife. There's a reason people don't cook with utility knives. Right now, I know what you're thinking, Max. You've built a camper van with a cooker, but nowhere to eat your dinner. Well, fortunately, I've thought about that. What better spot to eat my dinner than right here? Put my little fried egg on. And there we have it. The cutlery hasn't moved an inch. I mean, I can't get it out either, but at least it's not moved. Here we go. So just to get this straight, I'm eating my dinner in the dining table, fully loaded in the back of a smart car, with a double gas hob and a sink, a shower, and 2 flags that are utterly pointless. Time for bed. Of all the silly projects I've done, this has to be up there. It's awesome. It's absolutely bonkers, but awesome. This is one of my favourite things I've ever made, for no good reason. But I tell you what, I've done it. I've made a camper van out of a smart car.